Hey y'all, it's the Jed. I want to walk you through a change I made to my helmet setup this week. Not a big one, but I want to show it to you. What I did is I got a new camera mount to attach the GoPro right on the chin to replace the setup that I had previously. So I'm going to walk you through it. And hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so as a reminder, this is my old setup. I've got the GoPro mount here on the side of the helmet because it's the only real flat place, and it's the closest flat place that I could get to mount that, or to attach that mount. And then I used a series of adapters to get my camera positioned to the front of the helmet. My helmet is a Shoei GT Air. This is the original version of that helmet. And then I've got a lav mic running from my GoPro. My GoPro is the Hero 8 in the media mod. So I've got a lav mic going from there. I've got it actually, the bulk of the wire for the mic just taped with some gaffer's tape to the outside of my helmet. And then it runs through my padding, and it's just tucked in. The lav mic itself is tucked into this cheek pad with a windsock, a dead cat they call it, or dead mouse, I guess. Fantasies of dead cats. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I've got that tucked into my cheek pad, and so when I vlog from the bike, that's how I'm getting sound to my GoPro. So what I got to replace all that is a shaped mount from a company called Ride Tech that you can see is shaped to stick right on this ridge in the front of my Shoei GT Air. And they make these for a number of different helmet types and brands. You can see this is made in Canada, it says on the side. It looks like it's 3D printed to me, but it's the perfect shape to fit right there in the front. Doesn't obstruct with this vent in the front, and it's gonna let me mount my GoPro right there in the front of my helmet in what looks like a pretty secure way. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's the finished product. There's my GoPro mounted on this Ride Tech mount right on the front of my helmet, mic'd with the lav mic into the cheek pad of my helmet. I may clean up this gaffer's tape a little bit, but the benefit to me is obvious. It's perfectly centered now on my helmet, and I don't have all of this long arm coming around from the side to deal with. I can probably take this mount off or leave it on, either way. We'll see how this works, but I think I'm gonna like this a lot better. It's just a cleaner, simpler setup. As I said, they make these for other helmets, other brands as well. I'll put a link to Ride Tech in the description, and if I can find them, I'll link to the GoPro extensions that I used just off of this mount to get the camera into a adjustable position. It's two pieces off the mount. You know what, I'll take this apart and I will show you what those pieces are. These are the two pieces that I'm running off of that Ride Tech mount to put my camera on it. So this is just a GoPro piece that I had that slides down into that mount and locks in place. And then this is an extension that I mount onto that, and then the GoPro mounts onto this extension. When you buy these online, just make sure you don't accidentally get a right angle, because they do make versions of those that are right angle, so that this part of the mount would be oriented 90 degrees opposite of this part of the mount. Here, I can show you one of those. That's a right angle. Don't get this for that application. Get that. So hey, I hope that was interesting to you. I hope it helps you if you're setting up a motovlogging helmet, and I will in future videos show you the results. Have a great weekend. Bye.